Hello everyone. Good evening. Namaste. Jai Hind. And welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. I'm Vikas Dahiya, Quant and LRDI expert. Yes, hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Unsolved mystery. Good evening. ओके जल्दी से शेयर भी कर दो अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता दो सेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. हेलो उत्कृष्ट. Yes, hello everyone. And today's agenda. Okay, in the last lap to TISSNET 2022. Arnika, good evening. So in this series, we will do today how to solve DI sets effectively. Danish, good evening. Simran, hello. Okay, so agenda, you know that we will learn how to solve DI sets. Right, the approach. And I have taken in particular those type of sets, those type of DI sets which they are asking. They are asking in TISSNET. Okay, otherwise this will be useful for your CMAT also, even Maharashtra CET also. Okay, but in particular, right, TISSNET type of set, what they have asked. Gayatri, good evening. Good evening. जल्दी से सेशन को शेयर भी कर दो. Kindly share with your friend groups. Okay, importance if I talk about this topic, let's say in TISSNET you only have 30%, right? 30% weightage or 30 marks of your maths plus reasoning. Okay, so you have maths plus reasoning 30 marks. In this, out of this 30, if you get 5 to 7 right questions on DI, right, that is a huge weightage. Okay, because here you know that TISSNET there is a huge weightage for your general awareness, right? So 40% weightage to your general awareness, that okay, general knowledge you should be very good at. Okay, then 30 to verbal and 30 to right maths and reasoning. But remember that okay, if you are targeting, let's say TISS Mumbai, okay, for Mumbai the you can expect a call only right, I think minimum 70 plus will be required, right? 70 plus marks in your TISSNET will be required, right, to get a call for the next stage. Okay, so the cutoff marks will be something close to this 70 plus. Okay, it may go as high as 80 also, right, if the question, if the exam is easy, right? But okay, close to 70 will be, you can expect, right? Okay, so DI is very important here, right? The questions will be easy, but you need to still right answer that. Okay, I have taken this similar type of question they have asked in 19 and as well as this 20. Uh, 21. Okay, TISSNET 21. Okay, just see. Great Lakes, Gurgaon, PGPM. Okay, what are the options? So, किससे कंपेयर किससे कर रहे हो बीएम? Okay, don't just talk about a particular college, just talk about, okay, these are the options, so which one is better? Okay, so this is for TISSNET in general, the test exam TISSNET. Okay, 70 plus. Okay, you are talking about the cutoff that I need to see, right? But TISSNET Mumbai for HRLM, yes, right. This was right. For other courses, I need to check. XIM Bhubaneswar is definitely better. XIM Bhubaneswar, right? Definitely better. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's start with this, right? Okay, keep sharing the session. Okay, सेशन को जरूर शेयर कर दो. ओके, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो ये डेटा देखो जरा. यहां पे डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ लिटरेट एंड इलिटरेट पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 6 विलेजेस इज गिवन. ओके. ओके, गुड. So, see, description of literate and illiterate population of 6 villages is given. These are the name of the villages, right? This is percentage of literate population. Further, out of the literate males and female ratio and out of the illiterate males and female ratio, right? So you can see that 48% are literate. So 48, 7 is to 5 if you divide, that will become 28 and 20, right? 28% literate male, 20% literate female, and the remaining 52% will be divided here, right? Ratio of illiterate males and female. So out of those remaining 52%, you will divide in 13 is to 7 ratio. Okay? Because 48% are literate, so 52% will be illiterate. So out of that illiterate, you will divide. So something like this. Okay, let's come to the question. Let's come to the question. Now you will answer this. Okay, the data is in front of you. You understand the data. Now you answer this question. Okay, generally we feel that the data is confusing, data is okay, calculative, but whatever he will ask, he will give those values, logical values, right? Those values will be logical. Okay, let's see here. If you are talking about literate women in village B, right? Village B is talking about literate women. Okay, 60% are literate. Out of that, 7 by 15, right? These are 8 is to 7 is 15 into 4. So 28% female and 32% male are male literate and female literate. Okay. Now that means this is if he is talking about literate women in village B, so that means 28% population of village B, right, is 39760. Okay, and that of illiterate women in village C. Now village C illiterate, if 72% are literate, so 28% are illiterate. 28% when divided in 3 is to 4, that is 7 parts. So this will be 12 and 16, right? The ratio 3 is to 4 and the total is 28. I am just looking at the total of the ratio, that is 7 and total 28%, so 4 times. So I am making 4 times, 3 into 4, 4 into 4. Okay, I hope you are getting this. So illiterate women is 2. So 16% of village C is 25600. So by what percent is the population of village B less than the population of village C? So you write B by C. Okay. See B by C. How to write B by C? I know village population of village B, right, into this is 28%. So 28% is equal to 39760, and population of village C, 16% of that I know is 25600, right? I hope you are getting this, what I am writing here. Okay, great, great. This is Vankudot. Okay, it's very hard to pronounce that. Okay, is there a short name for that? Okay, I'm sorry for that. Now just see that I can cancel this 16 into 16 square is 256, I think, right? Nikita, okay, see, Nikita is saying explain again. Okay, I'm quickly explaining it again. Okay, let's have a quick revision. Just see that if B, right, literate population is 60%, right, and he want literate women in village B, right, and that is here 7 part out of 15. So out of 60, it will become 7 by 15 into 60. That is 28%. So 28% of village B is equal to 39760. Right? Are you getting this, Nikita? Any doubt anybody have, right, you can ask. Okay. Now similarly, if he's saying illiterate women in village C, now if 72% are literate, so 28% will be illiterate. Out of these 28%, female will be, right, 4 out of 7 of 28, that is 16%. That means out of village C, 16% is equal to, this is 25600 given. I want B by C, the ratio of B by C. So I am dividing. Okay, Bhavna, good. Right? Now see that I will just take this ratio. 100 cancel. 16, I can cancel 0 and then 16 into 16. Okay. 28 if I can cancel with 7. Okay, let's say 7 into 5, 4, 7. Yes, you can cancel. 7 into 4, 7 into 5. I'm just, okay, explaining. Just don't worry. 4 into 14 into, so 142 by 160. Right? 142 by 160. Or now if B and C, right, he's saying how much percent is B less than C. If B and C, the ratio is 142 is to 160, right? So can I cancel with 71 and 80? So it is 9 less than 80, right? Can I do like this? Okay, sorry, 4, 5. So it is 45 by 4, which is 11.25% is the correct answer. Right, Sunanda Dev. A is the correct answer. Yes, absolutely correct. Right? Okay, see that out of 60%, 7 out of 8 are female. So if you divide 60 in 15 parts, 8 part are male, 7 part are female. So 7 by 15 of 60, that is 28% of the total population of B is given in the question. Similarly, here, when I calculated 16% of the population of C is given in the question. Right? So B and C, this ratio we took. Right? I took the ratio of B and C. Now the ratio of B and C is 71 is to 80. Now he's asking B how much percent B is less than C. So it is 9 less than 80. 9 less than 80 according to the ratio. Right? 9 less than 80, we calculated 45 by 4, which is 11.25 exactly. Right? Okay. See, it is not that difficult, believe me. Right? Once you have understood the concept, now you will do it easily. Okay, just move to the next one. Move to the next one and now you answer. Generally what happens in a set, there will be one question that will be difficult, otherwise all other questions will be easy. Right? Now you will see that the questions are easy. Right? You can easily answer these questions. Right? So let's say that first question was to understand the set, but first question was a bit difficult also. Okay, a little lengthy. Okay, but now, if the population of village F is this, what is the number of literate male in the same village? Right? Easy. Very, very easy. Right? Very, very easy. Why? I am saying 16800, right? Literate population is this. Out of this, males are 5 out of 8. So 64%, 5 out of 8. 64%, 5 out of 8 are male. So 100 cancel, 8 into 8. So it is 168 into 40. Right? I can simply think of double of 168 is 336. Double of that is 672. So I can easily answer this. Right? Into 4, you know, double, double. So doubling anything is easier. Okay? Now this was easy. Right? This was very easy. Yes, Pradeep, Simran, correct. Very good. Very good. Yes, Jagtap Abhishek, very good. Okay? Yes, Archana Sharma, correct. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now, next one is a similar question. Now you should answer this. Okay, I am waiting for you, your answer. Just answer this. Okay, write the question number also with that. Third question, this answer. Okay, write your answer like this. Third A or third B. Okay, like this you answer. Whatever your answer is. Yes, quickly answer this. Okay, Arnika, that was correct. Now move to the next one. Okay, but first, either you can leave that, but first, with the first question, you will understand the entire concept, and next question onward, it won't take any time. Okay. Yes, Bhavna, come to the next question. Or the answer to the next question is this. Okay, let's see. Number of literate women. So literate women is 4 by 9 of 60. Right? 4 by 9 of 60 is the literate women. Right? If this is given as 32200, that means 32200 is this much. So illiterate population will be 40%. So 40 I need to find out. So this should be my answer. So it is 40, 2, 3, 3 into 3. So this 3 will come up, and 2 into 2. So 2 into 16100 into 3. So 48,300 should be the correct answer. So B option should be the correct answer. Okay, see what I am doing. Right? Just try to understand the steps. Okay, what I have done here. Okay, I will repeat it. I will repeat it. See, in D, right, females, literate females are 4 out of total 9. Right? And literate are 60%. Okay? So illiterates are 40%. So that means I know the value of 4 by 9 of 60% is equal to 32200. I want the value of 40%. So this is my question. So can you do it unitary method? Unitary method says that 32200 is 4 by 9 of 60. So I want to find the value of 40. Right? So this is how I got the value. Right? Yes, Gayatri, B option is the correct answer. Right? I hope you are getting all this. Any doubt you can ask? Okay, so let me move to the next question then. Okay, next one. B is the correct answer. Next one. Okay, try to move fast. Okay, logically direct to the answer. Yes, that was correct. Yes, Bhavna, that was correct. 48300 is the correct answer. Next one now. If the number of literate males in village A, right? So males are 7. 7 out of 12. So out of 48, it will become 48 into 7 by 12, it will become 28%. Right? Illiterate male. If 48% are literate, 52% must be illiterate. So 52%, it will be 13 by 20 of 52. So same thing. What I will do, that 35840 is 28%. I want to calculate 13 by 20 of 52. Right? Okay. So do like this. So it will be, yes, 13 by 20 of 52. That I want to calculate. Okay. 0 cancelled. 2 I will cancel here. So 28, if 7 I will cancel, 7 into 4, 7 into 5, 1, 2, 4 into, okay, 4 into, this will be 12, 8. So it will become 128 into 13 into 26, right? Okay, just see now. Now you can multiply this, right, which will eventually become 128 double, that is 256, and 13 square, 169. Right? And now you just see what should be the answer. The last digit should be 4. Okay, great. Okay. If I take this number as 170, right? If I take this number as 170, then it will be 17 into 6, 102, 17 into 5, 85 and 10, 95, 17 to 34 and 9, 43. Right? So this will be into 170. So minus 256 will be the answer. So 4300 and it will be 244, 64, right? I think this should be the correct answer, right? This should be the correct answer. Okay, it should be 64, okay, but then it should be 432. Okay, just see, it should be 432. Ankita Chaudhary, I am getting C option. I will check also. See here what I did, good thing what I did. Okay, so it was 256 into 169. What I did 256 into 170 minus 256. Because 17 I know the table. Okay. What if you are getting 43224? Okay, I don't know. What I am getting is option C. Okay, maybe the calculation mistake from my side, just check it. But I know the table of 17, so I did that. Okay, okay, great. Great, Pradeep. This is Soronil Bishwas. Yes, correct. Okay, Bhavna, you check your answer. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay, let's not waste in calculations. Okay, C is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Okay, no, not lengthy also. I'm just telling you how to deal smartly with lengthy calculations. Okay, let's see. If the population of illiterate, okay, next one, try it. Population of illiterate females in village E is this. So village E, illiterate females is 11 out of 25 out of 50 because 50% are literate, so 50% are illiterate. So it is nothing but 22% of the total. So this is easy because he is just asking that 77,000 is 22%. So what is 100%? So it is 11 into 2, 11 into 7, and it will be 35. So I think this is the easiest calculation of all the questions. Right? अभी तक जितने किए उनमें सबसे easy calculation यही थी. Yes. ओके कोई डाउट हो तो पूछते जाओ, अदरवाइज सेशन को शेयर करते रहो. So, जो यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं, काइंडली शेयर द सेशन. ओके, good, good. A is the correct answer. It is easy, right? This one was easiest. Okay, let's move to the next set. Okay, we have understood this. What is this? Okay, let's move to the next one. Right, I have taken similar questions. Right, similar questions. Okay, similar sets, so that you become comfortable because this type of set they asked. Okay, now try to understand this. There are three types of plants: marigold, rose, and sunflower. Names are not at all important, right? In 5 gardens, the given table shows the percentage of plants died, the ratio of marigold, rose, and sunflower which are still green. Okay, see, these are died and these are still green. Okay, the total number of plants, right, is equal to died plus green. So that means if 20% died, okay, if 20% died, so these three are 80%, right? Out of that, number is also given, but that is for green marigold plant. That means this part, marigold, is 13 part, right? Okay, try to understand. This is easy. Okay, good, Bhavna. Let's move to next one. Right, now if marigold is, okay, just try to understand now. If I am writing marigold, rose, and sunflower, if marigolds are 260, right, 13 into 20, so 9 into 20, rose will be 180, and sunflower 14 into 20, that will be 280, right? And these all together are 80%. So how many died? Right, so you can see 260 and 180, that will be 440 and 280, right, that will be 720. 720 are 80%, 8 into 9, right? So total must be 900, or this 20% must be 180. Right, 80% are, I have calculated 80% total is 720. If 80% is 720, 20% must be 180. 80 into 9 is 720, 20 into 9 is 180. Right, so like this you can calculate all the values, right? You need not to calculate right now, but I am telling you how this set should be understood, right? How these values can be calculated. Okay, now you will calculate all the values, but generally don't worry about the figures. The figures given will be, right, logical values. Like 260 was given, that was a multiple of 13, right? See here, 243 is given, which is 27 into 9. 159 is given, which is 53 into 3. 324 is given, which is 27 into 1 and 2. 12. 27 into 12. 294 is given, which is 49 into 6. Right? 49 into 6. So you can multiply into 6. That will give you all the values. Right? Okay. So now come to the questions. Yes. Try to answer this. I will give you the shortest possible method. Okay. Just see how you can calculate this. ओके, शेयर जरूर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ करते रहो. लाइक तभी करो जब आपको अच्छा लगे. राइट? इफ यू लाइक द सेशन, यू लाइक, बट शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज कंपल्शन. यस. Total number of plants in garden E is how much percent more than the total number of plants in garden D? Right? You can calculate this very easily. Right? How you are going to calculate E and D total? Right? See, if 49 into 6, right, into 6 is 294. That means this total is 82 plus 74. That will be, okay, 82 and 4, 86, 86 and 70, 156, 156 and 49, 205. So this total is 205 into 6. 205 into 6 is your 82%, because 18% died. So what is your 100%? So it is 41 into 2, 41 into 5, 2 into 3. So it is 1500. E total is 1500. And whatever you are calculating, you can keep these values, because these can be used further in other questions also. Right? Okay, so E total is 1500. Now D total is now 27 into 12. I told you into 12. So 27 and 32 and 26. So 27, 26 is 53, 53 and 32. So this will be 85. So total is 85. 85 into 12. Now 85 into 12 would be 85%, because 15% are died. 15% died. So 85% are. So this will be 1200. So here total is 1200. Right? So he is saying E is how much percent more than D. So 1500 more than 1200, it is 5 by 4. So 1 by 4, 25% more. Right? Are you getting it? Tell me, have you got it? Okay, just tell me, have you got it? At least share what you are getting, what you are not getting. Okay, C is the correct answer. You are saying 6th A. No, it is not A. You are comparing with garden D. You are comparing with D. So it is 15 more than 12. So 3 more than 12. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 25%. You are comparing with D. Right? Okay, yes. Yes, it should be 25%. Now, if you have calculated, okay, we have calculated total of D, total of E, right? Then you should keep these values, because these values can be used in other questions. Okay, because these are fixed values. Nothing was given in the question, right? It is not a question specific data. It is the data that we have calculated in general. Right? Okay? Anji, keep sharing the session also. Okay, let's move to the next one. C is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Now I am writing here that I have calculated 1500. I have calculated 1200. Right? Here the total of this was, okay, total of this was, it was 205. Okay, here the total was 205. Here the total was 85. Okay, now, what is the ratio of the number of dead plants in garden B to that in garden C? Okay, but he's talking about B and C now. Dead of B and C. Again, you want the total. See, if this is 27 into 9, this is into 9. So that means this 37, 34 is 71. Okay, these are not lengthy, believe me. Right? Once you understood, right, there will be a particular question and it will be solved easily. Right? If I want to solve only this question, right, just see that 71, 98. Now 98, right, this is 98 into 9 is the total, which is 84%, right? So what will be, he is talking about dead, so 16%. So 14 into 6, 14 into 7, 3 into 3, 3 into 2, okay, so sorry, 2 into 8. So 7 into 3, 21 into 8, 168. Here dead is 168. Okay. And in case of C, it is 53. Okay, just wait a minute. It is 53 into 3. So 53, 63, 66. So 60, 60, 129, 129, 3, 132, 182. Right? 182 into 3 will be the 78%. Okay, 182 into 3. Okay, wait a minute. Into 3 will be 78% because 22% are died. Okay, these died. So 22%. So 13 into 6, 13 into 14, 6 cancel here, 14 into 11, 154. So this is 154. I need to take the ratio of 168 and 154. Right? So it is, if I take the ratio, right, out of the option I will see 5 is not possible, right? 4 and 3, what is the difference of 154 and 168? The difference is 14. So 14 into 1, 14 into 2, 14 into 11. So 12 is to 11. Right? 12 is to 11 would be the correct answer. Right? But in this case also, actually you got the total also. Okay? You can talk about the total also because here 22 into 7 is 154. So that means here the total C is 700. And here 16 into 1, okay, 10.5. So the total will be 1050. Right? You can calculate the total also. Okay, if I know the total of now B, C, D, E, if any other question we can answer easily. Right? A is the correct answer. A 12 is to 11 is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next one. A is the correct answer. Next one. Now, what is the average number of green plants in garden B, C, and D? You know, we have already calculated that B the total is 1050, C the total is 700, D the total is 1200. We have already calculated this, right? Now, green plants are here 84%. Here, okay, rather you must have calculated those values also, right? These are the green plants. Okay, so 84% of 1050 will be, okay, if I calculate these values, okay, so 84% would be 1050, okay, into 84 by 100. I am just saying that it is 42, and if you cancel by 50, it will be 21. So 21 square double. So it will be 882, right? So B green plants are 882. C green plants are directly multiplied by 7. So that will be 7 into 8, 56, 7, 7, 49 and 5, 54. D it is 85 into 12. That is 850 plus 170. Okay, 850 plus 170. So 850, 950, and it will be 1020, right? So we want the average of these three. So it is 10 plus 9, 19, 19 and 5, 24. So 24, 48 by 3. So it will be 816, right? Divided by 3 would be 816. That should be the average. Okay, if I am talking about the green plants. Okay, so a bit of calculation if you are not comfortable in tables. Okay, then you can feel that a bit of calculations. Okay, otherwise, okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, we will see the concept. Okay, you are getting the concept of ratio, right? You should get the concept of ratio because they have asked the question on ratio based. Ratio, like the previous question, male female ratio and then the total. Okay, let's see. I will show you one more question on pie chart, right? Where these kind of question in ratio they can ask. Okay, see in which garden there are least number of green roses. Okay, so I'm leaving it to you, right? You will calculate because you can calculate it like this, right? If I am talking about roses, it is 13 into 20. So here roses will be 9 into 20, 180. 27 into 9, so 34 into 9. So 340 minus this, 306, right? 53 into 3, so roses will be 63 into 3, 189. 27 into 12, 32 into 12. So 320 plus 64, 384, right? 49 into 6, 74 into 6. So 6 into 4, 24, 6, 7, 42, 4, 4, 4, right? So he's saying what least number of green roses. Least number of green roses is with A, right? This is I have written green roses only. Okay, because marigold, here marigold are given. According to that, I am just taking the similar fashion. I am taking rose, right? With that ratio 13 is to 9, 13 into 20 is 260. So 9 into 20 is 180, right? All others are more than that. So A will be the correct answer, right? Okay. Similarly, you could have calculated sunflower also. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. Okay, yes, A is the correct answer. Ashwin, uh, yes, Jagtap, Abhishek. Okay, so let's move to the next one. What is the sum of number of dead plants in garden A, B and C? Okay, I think we have already calculated for C and B, right? A also. See, we have already calculated the dead plants here in this question, right? 168 and 154, right? 168 and 154. 168 and 154, these are the dead plants. Here the dead plants will be because this was 13, 9, 22 and 14, 36, right? 36 into 20. So 720 was 80%, so 20% was 180. So this total he is asking 4, 8, 12, it will end with 2. Okay, 1, 9 and 11, 20, so 0. So 502 should be the correct answer, right? Okay, because we have already calculated these values, right? Now this should not be difficult. Okay, we need to just add it, right? Okay, so let's move to the next one, right? This I think you have understood the entire set. Okay, the time taken you will reduce by practicing. Okay, yes. So let's move to the next one. Now the next one is on a combination of pie chart and a table, but very easy, right? Okay, kind, right? So see, go through the data first. Pie chart shows the percentage distribution of total students in 5 colleges. So A, B, C, D, E are the colleges. These are A, B, C, D, E. Okay, it is given here, written, but it is in this order, right? And the table shows the male students. This is the total students. If 6,000 is total, so A 25%, it will become 1,500. 15% it will become 900, 20% 1200, 10% 600, 30% 1800. So it is very easy because total is 6,000. So I can write all the values, right? These are the total student and these are the male student. So female you can get. So I think this will be very, very easy set, right? Okay, so a breather after that set. There you found difficult. Okay, you thought that those were lengthy calculations. So here I think it will be right very, very easy. Okay, so you will answer all the question you should answer now. Okay, try to answer all the questions. Yes, keep sharing the session also. See, while preparing, you should always prepare up to one level higher, right? ऐसा ना हो ना एग्जाम में जाके यू फाइंड दैट ओके हमने तो प्रिपेयर किया था उससे हल्का सा डिफिकल्ट आ गया. Okay, that should not be the feeling. Okay, but this is normal level, easy level, right? Okay, you can answer it. Quickly answer it. Females in college A is what percent? Okay, you can write all the male female. Okay, this is very easy. Right? I am again writing the values. A, B 15% of 600, 900. C 20%, 1200. D 10%, 600. E 30%, 1800. If these are the total, so total are these 15, 9, 12, 6. I'm writing for all the questions you can answer now. Right? Then female student are 1,000, 300, right? And 400, 100 and 900. Right? He is talking about females in college A is what percent more or less than C. So 400. So it is 600 more than 400. That is 150%. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, total of C. Sorry. It is 1,000 total of C. So total of C is, that means it is 200 less than 1200. So it is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16, 2 by 3%. C option should be the correct answer. Right? C option should be the correct answer. And yes, Pradeep, Saranil Vishwas, okay, Jagtap Abhishek. Yes, you were correct. Okay, so C should be the correct answer. He is comparing with the total student in C and whereas female in A. Female in A and total in C. He was comparing this. Female in A and total in C. Right? So now whatever values we have written, you can note down these values. You can because you will use these values in further questions and then you can answer very easily. Right? Or you can think of these values every time you solve. So C option is the correct answer. Right? Let's move to the next one. Okay, ये देखते हैं हम. Next question करो. Okay, now these questions are easy. Female in E, right? E, you know the total is 1800. So female are 900. Okay. How much more or less than male in college ABC together? ABC together we already know male student. It is 5, 6, 11 and 8, 19. Right? So it is 1000 less than 19. That is my answer should be, okay, it is only in the number, not percentage. So it is 1000 less. Easiest. Right? I think this is the easiest because he is just asking the numbers, right? Not the percentage. If he's not asking the percentage, here it is 1900 total male and female are 900. So it is 1000 less, right? 1000 less. Okay. Super duper easy. Okay. So let's move to the next one. It was super duper easy. Yes. Yes, Ashwin Ram. Gayatri, unsolved mystery. It was B. Yes, correct. Right. Very, very easy. Okay. Next one. Now, in which of the, yes, Jagtap Abhishek, it was correct. In which of the following college number of female students are more than the number of male? Okay, we have already written all the values. Right here, females were, because total was 1500, so female were 1000, female were 300, female were 400, female were 100, and female were 900. Female more than male. Okay, here female more than male. No, 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 no. Only A. Right? Your answer should be only A. Right? Only in college A that number of female are more than the number of male. Right? Here in E they are equal. Okay? So only A. Yes, option D. Okay, sometimes it happens that we calculated that A the females are more and mark A, but A is not the correct option. Correct option is D, which is A. Right? So option D, value A. Option D, value A is correct. Okay? So whenever you get answers like A, B, C, D, right? Be careful that you mark the correct option. Okay? Option जरूर correct mark करनी है. Okay. The next one, D is the correct answer. Next one, central angle. Okay, actually this value is given. Otherwise, for central angle, right? In yesterday's class also, I took one class yesterday also at 1 p.m. Right? दोपहर को मेरी क्लास हुई थी, वो भी एक DI पे थी. You can if you have not seen that class, you can see that class. Right? There were good sets. Now I told you about this angle. Right? You should remember that certain values, that 1% equal to 3.6 degree or 10% equal to 36 degree or 100% equal to 100% equal to 360 degree. Right? That we know. Now you should remember that 5% is 18 degree, 15% is 54 degree, 25%, sorry, it is 25% which is 90 degree, right? Like this 20% is 72 degree and 30% is 108 degree. You should know these percentages, at least that standard values, right? Even you should know 2% is 7.2 degree, 3% is 10.8 degree, okay? Now he is talking about total number of students in A and B together, right? A and B together, it is 40%. Now, if it is 40%, you should know 36 into 4, that is 144 degree. So my answer will be 144 degree. So E option would be my correct answer, right? E option would be my correct answer, that is 144 degree. Okay? right? So here one more thing, that I don't know up to what tables you are memorizing, right? I generally suggest that up to table you must know all the table, 1 to 20. Up to 20 you must know all the tables, right? But apart from this, you should know at least these two tables, table of 36 and table of 37. These are good tables, important tables, right? 36 because of these pie charts, and 37 because it is an interesting table, that 37 into 3 is 111, 37 into 6 is 222, 37 into 9 is 333, right? Like this. Okay, this table is also important, but 36 very important because of pie chart. Okay, so you should know these tables of 36 and 37 also. Here 36 into 4 is 144, so directly you can mark 144. Okay, so let's move to the next one. E is the correct answer. Yes, Arnika, it was correct. And yes, Gayatri, Pradeep, Ashwin, Jagtap, Abhishek, Sauranil, Vishwas, all were correct. Right? Okay, let's move to the next one. So now there is another college. So another college P is there. So he's talking about another college. Number of male student is 200% more than female student in college D. Okay, college D, female student were 100. Sorry. So total were 600, right? So if it is 100 and he's talking about male student is 200% more. So 100 plus 200, it will become 300 here. And average of number of male and female student in college P is 440. That means it has to be, total has to be 880. If this is 300, female must be 580. And that is your answer. Number of female student in college P, that must be 580. Okay. So this actually, while reading only you can solve. Right. So the thing is that it would be a mixed bag, right? You cannot expect all to be very, very easy, right? Yes, there would be easy questions. Believe me, there would be easy questions, right? But I generally don't expect that all are very easy level. So there will be always a scope of slightly average or above average level difficulty question, right? There can be. So you should be careful. Read the question carefully. You should know the basic concepts. If you know the concept, even if these questions are easier, you will do it very fast, right? I think you can see my calculations, right? I generally, right, read the tables. Okay, I generally calculate every answer. Every time I teach, every time I calculate the answer, right? Till the last point. Okay, okay, garden sum was too lengthy. Okay, so you do it again. After understanding the concept, you do it again. Maybe you don't feel that lengthy. Okay, maybe that sometimes you are not comfortable in taking ratios, right? If I say somebody that okay, uh, male to female ratio is 5 is to 3, right? Now if you are given, let's say female are uh, something, let's say 72 females are there, females are 72, what is the total? So your approach, how you approach, that means 72 is 3, you want calculate 8. Okay, 324 into 8, which is 192. So can you calculate this 192 fast? That is the issue. I'm just taking an example, right? Okay, it's okay, but when you start dealing with that, right, you will not feel that uncomfortable, right? You generally can complete all of those questions in less than 1 minute, every question, right? Okay, only in one question I felt that it will take more than 1 minute, but generally it will not, right? If you are good at calculations, right? If you practice that, because DI is all about, right, uh, handling those calculations smartly. Okay, there will be. They will ask, okay, there will be 6, 7 values. He will ask the average of all those, right? So, only thing is that you need to handle that smartly. Okay, so don't go by that sum of all divided by 7 or 6, right? It should be that smartly. I think you must have used that method of uh, uh, in your stats assumed mean, right? If you want to calculate average of certain values, how to calculate that? Okay, let's do this. I'm just okay. This was the last question. I'm just taking a blank screen and you tell me the average of certain thing. Okay, I'm writing here the values. Okay, 48, 51, 53, 57. Let's say 61, 59. Okay, let's take the average of these. Okay, average of all these. Okay, to first decimal place. How to take that average? Okay, so what my method is that you will generally take the average. Let's say 53 is the average. Okay, so what you will do, this is -5, this is -2, +4, +8 and +6, right? So 4, 8, 12 and 6, 18 minus 7 is plus 11 by 6. So 53 plus 11 by 6 is going to be 53 minus 2. So 53 plus 2 minus 1 by 6, right? So it will be 54.833, right? Exact value, right? Exact value I am writing. This will be the average, right? Are you getting the point? No, it won't be 53.33. It will be 54.833, right? It cannot be more than 55 because it is not 2 plus. So 53 plus less than 2. And this is what I have written is the exact value, right? Okay, you can calculate this. You can calculate with your calculator, you will get exactly the same value, right? Okay, so the point is that even if you see there that there are, okay, some calculations were there, but you need to handle those smartly. Okay, you need to just beat the competition. You need to be faster than your competitor. Okay, that is the only issue. Okay, I don't want to score 100 out of 100, right? I want to just score better than the competitors. Okay, if the question is difficult, right, and nobody is able to score 50 out of 100, right? Even if I am scoring 50, that's great. Okay, so this is the schedule. This is the schedule. So today I have taken this class. Tomorrow Saral sir will take geometry. Then again day after I will take a session on CI and SI. Interest, compound interest, simple interest. So the name says it is interest. So it must be interesting, right? Okay, so the interest part is always interesting, right? So we will do that day after on Saturday, right? After that, Pranav sir will have your 3 sessions of current affairs. That would be important, right? You know, TISSNET 40% GK. Okay, and after that, Gaurav sir will take why statistics number series is important for TISSNET. Okay, I think it should be static number series. Okay, let's see. Then we have this program CAT PI VAT program. Okay, so GDPI complete program, because after this elimination stage, that is the written part, you will have selection stage, and that is more important. Okay, so complete program for that. And CAT 2022, we have already started these batches, right? Okay, so like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. And these are the ways you can get connected with us, right? You can follow us at Instagram, YouTube. You must subscribe and press the bell icon also to get the notifications. And you can like our Facebook page, right? Join our Telegram channel, right? To discuss your doubts. And you can download the app, right? In which you can see our sessions. Okay, BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Namaste. Jai Hind. Thank you.